Good cold morning, everyone. I am in Safety Harbor today. It's cold, but it's actually a gorgeous day right now. It's not too cold. I think it is currently, let's see, it is 58 degrees right now. And the time is 12:17, so it's no longer morning. But anyway, we are out here just taking a little stroll. It's been a minute since I've been out here. I wanted to check on the pier that was currently, not currently, but last year we had 2 years ago now, 2024, yeah. We had those hurricanes come through. It was nasty. Helene and Milton really did a number on this town. Did a number on our stuff. We had 3 feet of water in 20 minutes. Lost both of our cars in the flood. It was quite a crazy time not too long ago. But it's a new year, and they've done a lot of work to revive the area. Our place is good. We got a car now, way more than I'd like to pay in monthly payments, but here we are. Anyway, I'm going to turn this camera on to actually show you guys something pretty cool. Over here is the Safety Harbor Resort and Spa, which is known to have a natural spring, I believe, in their pool area. With all those minerals and purities that apparently make you youthful again. Disclaimer, look into that yourself. Not 100% sure if that's actually true, but that's what I heard. Rumor. And we are back over here on me, and we are almost over here to the pier. I see that we have some fencing up along the marina. Let's jump back over here. Show you guys this little bit. The marina is taking effect, getting rebuilt. We have the crane out here. No trespassing. If you guys want to see what this looked like shortly after the hurricanes, I do have that video. Got over 1,000 views. It was really crazy here. But I am going to go around the restroom area now and come up on this pier that looks like it is getting worked on quite nicely here. Got the crunch of the shelves underneath my feetsies right now. But yeah, they've completely cleared this off, fenced this off. You can no longer enter this area. But as you guys can see, the pier is getting worked on. There's actually somewhat of a pier there now. This whole thing was totally gone a little while back ago. It's nice to see that there's a pathway again now. And of course, we'll be back out for more updates as they continue the progress here. Tide looks to be out. Just go check out the water. Hello. Great, how are you? Yeah, coming up on the rocks here. You guys can see that tide is out, pretty far out. Normally it is up to the rocks here, but right now it is not. It is really far out. Pretty windy today as well. We're going to start making our way back over to another little pier walkway area. This little bridge that has pretty cool things on the fencing. I want to show you guys behind me. The sails are back up as well. Those were ripped to shreds as well during the hurricane. It was something, I'm telling you. Like I said, if you guys want to check out that video, I will link it to the end of this one for you guys to look at. It's just so nice that things are starting to come back to life again. We've gone through a lot, but we've gotten back up. Kind of like the whole Rocky thing. It's not how hard life hits you. Life is gonna hit you hard. But if you stay down, you're out. Get up. That's what counts. You gotta get back up on that horse. You gotta get back on that motorcycle, on that rein, on that walkway. Just keep walking, keep going forward. Because if you're going forward, you're living. And if you're living, you're breathing. If not, you're dying. And you can either, in the words of Adam LaRue, you can either get busy living or get busy dying. And there's so much adventure, so much to live for, especially here in Pinellas County, in Florida in general, that I'd rather just keep going and keep living and loving life. Weather's going to be up and down. All of these things are going to be changing, and there's going to be updates, improvements. There's going to be things that are taken away. But there's so much life to live. Don't waste it on staying in bed by just working your life away. Yes, like I said, work is important, but getting out and enjoying paradise is truly something. So right now I'm going to turn this camera around, show you guys the little beach area. And the little walkway here. Protected wetland area beyond this point. Dangerous conditions, keep out. You guys can see over there. Let's see if I can tilt this up and then go in. We have a bird's nest. I think that's an eagle's nest right there. Nothing in it right now, but it is set up for whenever they want to, the birds, eagles, anything really flying that wants to take nest, they can do so right there. So birds, if you're watching, your area is available for residency. If you want to come out and, build your nest and have a family, go do so right here in Safety Harbor. Moving forward now, we have this beautiful walkway, this beautiful boardwalk. I love it out here. It is so peaceful. See the water and see all the way to Tampa. These marshlands. Yeah, even these marshlands got beat up pretty good from the hurricanes. But even they're coming back to life again too. Making our way closer to what I wanted to show you guys. We are just about there. Love coming out here and just thinking and pondering and reflecting. Living in the water. Let's see, what do we got in here? We have a blue crab, we have bottlenose dolphins, West India manatees, mullets, horseshoe crabs, and of course, snook. You guys can definitely tell that the water has receded a lot currently. Low tide. not there. Maybe the other side. Just take it all in. Breathe that sea air. Hear the birds chirping. Relax, unwind. And escape into paradise in Pinellas. So what I was gonna show you guys were all the locks that were here, like this one. There used to be a lot more, but it looks like they've taken them off. But you guys can lock in love, like this one was Phil and Nikki. And that you could put your names on these locks and just like lock them up on the railing here. A little wire. Have a little keepsake here forever. Well, until they took them off, which was interesting. Not real sure why they did that. Going to make our way back to the car now. It's always a great time to come out here on this boardwalk and just enjoy life. Life is short. You don't know if you're gonna wake up in the morning. I keep thinking about that. Like you never know when your last day is gonna be your last day. You gotta cherish every moment for what it's worth. You gotta spread positivity out into that world. Gotta spread the love. Spread the love. Kenny Chesney has a song about that. And I think the Whalers are on it too. Love who you love. Make it weird. Make it weird. Text someone you love. Tell them you love them. Because you never know when that last time's going to be where you can't do it anymore. I love that song from Cody Johnson still. Till you can't. Never know when tomorrow's not going to come. You can keep pushing things off. You can keep not proposing to your girlfriend, or you can tell your dad that you'll go fishing another time, but maybe another time won't come. So balance your life. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Like me, behind me, this is pure bliss. This is paradise. Even the weather today, even being 58 degrees, it's nice to just get away for a little bit. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's been a little bit long of a walk and talk, but I wanted to show you guys the boardwalk here and the beauty of Safety Harbor. In another video, I want to come out and show you guys downtown Safety Harbor. There's a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants out there. Right now, I am broker than broke. So I feel like keep away temptation by not doing that right now. So until I get some money in, I'm gonna hold off on that video. But like things today, Whimsyland in the previous video, and here on the boardwalk, everything's free. All this is completely free. Parking's free. The park is free. There's Felipe. I always get that park wrong, but right down the street here, my buddy's a park ranger over there. And looks like they actually have this blocked off. Yep. This is currently blocked off. Still, interesting. Okay. Yeah, there's so much to do that's even free to do here. Just gotta watch where you step. Looks like a dog took a little doo-doo there. But we are walking back to the car now. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. And we will see you right here again next time on Paradise in Pinellas.